Today we're working on a Jandy CS150 filter. The union has a crack in it, so it's starting to throw water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it right here, put an oversized fitting in, put a new union on, and connect it right there. These unions always tend to break. I think this is like a mold point because they always seem to break right here. But that's what we're doing today. We're just replacing a union. This is the saw I use. It's a Milwaukee M12 brushless hacksaw. This is what I use for most of my plumbing jobs. I also have like a big PVC cutter by Milwaukee, but I only use that on new pipe. This is just easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it there. And I'll sand all this down. I use emery cloth and I sand it. Then I primer it and then I do the glue. I'll do that on all my parts. I always sand, primer, glue. So this is the emery cloth that I use for sanding. I also wear gloves when I'm working with the glue and primer, just some ones that I could throw away. So I sand it, I primer it, make sure I got all that paint off, and then sometimes I'll primer it one more time if there was paint. Then I primer, and then I put the glue, and then I put the fittings. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this oversized fitting inside of this one. I'm going to bring this one over like this. Put it in like that, boom, just like that. And then I always paint anything I repair also with just some spray paint. I usually just use almond.